Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So this is Collins Digital Academy. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, do well to hit that subscribe button because you'll be learning a lot from this channel. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create WhatsApp stickers. Okay, some of you might be wondering how all these funny stickers on WhatsApp are being created. Don't worry, I got you covered. I'm going to be teaching you how to create those stickers in this video. Okay, so let's dive in. So I'm just going to go to my WhatsApp application, and then this is my WhatsApp chat. This is my personal chat. So I'm just going to click on this icon right here, this icon right here. So it's going to bring me to my stickers. These are the stickers I have, the ones I added to favorites already. So you're going to see this icon right here, create, as you can see it right here. So you're going to click on it, and then it will take you to your gallery. So all you need to do now is to select the image you want to turn into a sticker, or the video you want to turn into a sticker. So let's start with image. So I'm just going to use this one. So I'm just going to use this one. Once you click on it, it's going to erase the background, or you can use it with the background or without the background. So just wait for it. So you can see, you can choose to use it this way or choose to use it without the background. So you can just without the background, so you just input a text. So you just write something funny. So just write "see as I dey look you." So just write something funny. "See as I dey look you." So you can just put an emoji. Okay, so just put it, so you can adjust it, drag it down, or put it anywhere. So I prefer having it down here. So depends on your choice. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on send after creating it. So you can click on this place right here, send, and then the sticker has been created. So you can see the sticker right here, "see as I dey look you." So depends. So let's create one more, let's create another one. So I'm just going to use my flyer to create another one. So I'm just going to use my flyer. So this is it. I'm going to click on it and wait for it to load. So it has erased the background, but I don't want it this way, so I want it this way. So I'm going to leave it this way and then send it. You can actually use your own sticker, your own picture as a sticker. So all you need to do is to select your own picture and then convert it to a sticker. So let's use video and see what we have. Let's try video. So let's get a funny video actually. So I think let's try and find one. Okay, let me check this one. So all I need to do is to drag this to fit in the particular place I want it. I want the sticker. So you can see this is a video. So I can just do it like this and then leave it this way. Okay, and I'll click on done. So I can just tag it. I can just click on the text icon and then tag it something else. Okay, my head one bust. So depending on what the video or the picture is saying, is what you're going to tag it. So you just add this, my head won't bust. So as you can see, the guy is reading and he's tired of reading, stuff like that. So you can just adjust it and fit it here, and then you can click on send. You see preparing sticker. So you just have to wait for it, for the sticker to be prepared. Okay, so just wait for it. So just wait for it. It doesn't take much time. So you can see the sticker has been created. Okay, the sticker has been created. So at least this sticker looks a bit funny. It looks funny. The guy was reading and he's tired. So you can see. So let's try one more. And then let's try one more. So you click on create. Maybe if you have all this gay picture or stuff like that, you can use it to create a funny sticker. Okay, so let's try one more with a video. So let's try one more with the video. So let's use this one. So I'm just going to drag it to the place I want. I'm just going to drag it to the place I want it. Okay, so to the particular funny place. So I'm just going to play this and see what. Okay. Let me drag it again. So let me drag it. I want it to start with this guy. So I'm just going to click on done right now. So I'm just going to click on send. I don't want to. As you can see, a text already appeared in the video, so I don't have to add any text. So I just left it like that. So let's wait for this sticker to be done. So you can see, so that's how stickers are being created. So you just need to be creative and then find something that you can create, to just let it be funny or something like that. Okay, so this is how you create WhatsApp stickers. It's not difficult, just from your WhatsApp. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, do well to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and then let me know in the comments what you think. Let me also know in the comments which tutorial I should be doing next. Okay, I'll see you guys in the other side. Bye.